Hi, my name is Jaden, and we distribute a product called the Rainbow. Our goal as an organization is to be able to bring a clean and healthier environment into every home that we enter. And we honestly cannot think of a better product to do that than the Rainbow. The Rainbow's technology is simple. It offers you the ability to bring clean, fresh, water-washed air into your home every single day. How it works? Simply fill the bowl up with water in your sink. Connect the vase and power it on. Instantly, the system begins to work its magic. It first begins with aerodynamics. As the Rainbow begins to move the air in your home, it lifts dust and debris and whisks it into your Rainbow's water bowl. Next comes the hydrodynamics, which allows your Rainbow to trap the dust and dirt in the swirling water bowl. From there, the Rainbow releases clean, fresh, water-washed air into your home. The most amazing part, it does it all on its own. Leave your Rainbow on 24/7 to continuously allow it to remove allergens, airborne particles, and dust from your home. Water is powerful, and that is why the Rainbow system uses it every day, not only to trap dust and debris, but to keep your home smelling clean and fresh. Use water to deodorize or add anything natural, like flowers or fresh limes. We also offer a variety of 14 different fragrances that you can add to your Rainbow's water. My favorite is mandarin rosewood. The Rainbow can be life-changing by keeping the air in your home free from allergens, pet dander, and other pollutants. You can rest assured that your home is always clean. But you don't just have to take my word for it. Call us and schedule a time to experience the Rainbow in your